In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not opening in Microsoft Store. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you have the Roblox app, which you downloaded in the Microsoft Store and it's not opening or working properly, what we can do is just repair our Roblox app. So the first thing we want to do is go to our search bar and type settings. So you want to go to your computer settings, and from here you want to select apps, just right here in the left side of the screen. And from here you want to select installed apps. Now you want to search for Roblox, and just here in the Roblox app, you want to click on this three dot option and select advanced options. From here, you want to scroll down until you find this reset section. And from here, we can repair the app. So we want to click repair. And after we have repaired the app, we want to click on reset. So just before we open our Roblox app, what we want to do is to troubleshoot our Windows Store app. So from here, we want to search in the settings, Windows Store app. And we will find this setting which says find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. So I want to click it and we want to troubleshoot. So here you want to click on next, and your PC is going to detect the problems with the Windows Store apps. So you just need to wait for a couple of minutes and just hit next. And that's it. You want to close the window. So after that, the next method is we want to go to our Windows Update setting, just right here, and make sure that you have the latest Windows Update installed in your computer. So you want to click check for updates, and after you've checked for updates, there will be updates that's going to pop up if you don't have the latest Windows Update and you just want to update your computer. After you have updated your Windows Update, you want to reset your computer and you're all set. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.